Hi everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devon. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designing here and there. If you think that is something you'd be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every week when I upload. And in today's video, I am going to be talking to you guys about this brand new kit from Pink. And this is the Pink Faves Past and Present kit. You guys, this is so nice. If you are looking for a really nice gift for like a teenage girl or something like that, a daughter, a cousin, a niece, anything, I think this is a super cute set. Also, if you have multiple, nieces or kids, you can always take these out and stick different ones in their stockings as little stocking stuffers. I love the size of these. These are little minis, and never had any minis from Pink in like ever, I don't think, or it's been years, but I know I don't have any now. So yeah, I thought this was an amazing kit to get, and I couldn't wait to talk to you guys about the kit so I can let you guys know, is it worth it? This does retail for I think $100, but I got mine on sale for like 50% off or 60% off or something like that. So you can definitely get it on sale. So this kit has 10 different fragrances in here. Some of these I actually have in my collection, and some of these I have absolutely never tried. So I'm super excited to be sharing it with you guys. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and open this up and get started. Come a little bit closer. So you open it like this. That behind me, and this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna pull all of them out individually, spray them, talk to you guys about them, and I am going to be keeping this set, but I think I'm going to be giving some of these to my daughter as well, because I let her the Bath and Body Works mini fragrances, so I think she will enjoy these as well. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start with one I already have, so I know I'm going to be giving this one to her. This is going to be Gumdrop the Beat. This is one of my oldest Pink sprays in my collection, and I still have it. So this has pink gumdrops in dance parties. I feel like it didn't used to say that. It does. I'll let you guys know. If it don't, I'll let you guys know. But yeah, I don't remember it saying that. I know it said pink gumdrops though. So we're gonna go ahead and spray her. Okay. And this to me smells like some sort of pink candy. I don't know if it has like a bubblegum note. It does kind of remind me of those little nasty gumdrops, because yeah, I don't like them, but I'll pop a picture up of those little candies. But that's what it kind of reminds me of. It's also a little artificially smelling, I don't know, but I used to really enjoy this scent, and it's cute, so I think my daughter will enjoy this one as well. So that's a nice little scent to have. All right, the next one is Sunset Sorbet, and this is Ice Papaya and Glitter Waves. So I don't think I was collecting around this time, but it's really cute. So let's see what it smells like. I don't know. I get a little bit of fruitiness, but something about this kind of reminds me of like coconut. It could be like the papaya and the glitter waves, whatever that may be, but like oceany scent. So maybe that's not why. So maybe that's why it's kind of reminding me of like coconut. Yeah, I'm sorry that I picked like the worst time every single day to film because the sun keeps going down, but I gotta get it when I can. I'm really gonna start trying to film earlier, but it's so hard. Okay, the next one is going to be Pink Macaron, and this one is Macaron Accord and Juicy Cranberry. I actually have this one as well, and I remember it not being one of my favorites. I did want it to smell more of like a macaron cookie, and I feel like it doesn't. Yeah, it's definitely more of that cranberry juicy type of fragrance. I don't really get any type of cookie note in here. It's more of like a juice type of fragrance. Very fruity, and I get a lot of that cranberry, but I don't get any type of cookie note at all. So I feel like they missed the mark with that one. All right, this next one is going to be extra apple, and this is one that I know I'm probably not gonna like because y'all know I'm not a fan of apple anything. And I remember when this one came out and I just remember skipping it because it was an apple. And so this one says fresh fall air and juicy honey crisp. So let's go ahead and spray her. This one sprays a little bit nicer than the other ones. Yeah, it's not for me. This one definitely does remind me of like an apple cider type of smell. It's not bad. It's just I don't like apple scent, so it's not really my zhuzh. Now the next one I'm definitely interested in. This one is bronze coconut, and although I'm not a coconut girly, sometimes I can be when it's like kind of like sunscreeny coconut. I kind of enjoy that. And this is toasted coconut and dreamy sunbeams. So I'm hoping it's kind of like that. It's definitely a coconut scent, but it has like a hint of that sunscreeny note to it, which I don't mind. It's okay. It's not horrible. It does smell like something I've smelled before. Is it my favorite? No, but it's okay. You guys, I'm not gonna lie. Majority of these kind of are a little bit of a fail for me personally. Like, I don't know. I thought I was gonna like them a little bit more, and I kind of don't. So it makes me a little sad, but it's okay because they're probably gonna go to my daughter anyway. All right, this next one is warm vanilla, and this is one I do have in my collection as well. This is shaved cinnamon, pumpkin cream, and marshmallow fluff, and this is one I know I do like. That one's sprayed out nice. Yeah, this one is nice. Pumpkin-y type of fragrance with some vanilla. It's nice. It's one I'm actually using in my project Use It Up. I'm not doing a really good job with it, but it's in there. So it's not a bad scent though. I like that one. All right, this next one is iced coconut. And this is frozen coconut, chilled air, and sweet cream. So let's smell this one. This one isn't bad. Ooh, I'm liking the dry down a little bit more than the opening. That opening had a lot of that coconut in it, but the dry down has a little bit more of a creaminess to it. So this one is decent. Yeah, that one's decent. All right, now this next one is Sugar Sky. And this is Cotton Candy Skies, whipped vanilla, and sweet musk. This is also one that I have. So I know I kind of like this one. Yeah, this one smells like, this is like an airy cotton candy. So I forgot the name of that Bath and Body Works one that is very similar to, but yeah, it's like an airy cotton candy. It's not bad. I like this one. All right, this next one is Tropic Vanilla. And I feel like I remember this one coming out, but I don't think I have this one. This is coconut flour and chilled vanilla. Oh, I like this one. I like this one. I don't really get coconut, but I get a really sweet like vanilla. But it's not like a gourmand vanilla. It's kind of like a fruity vanilla. I don't know what that is, but ooh, I like this one. Yeah, this one is good. Baby girl ain't getting this one. I'm keeping this one. That's good. Okay. The very last one is going to be Vanilla Swirl. And this is definitely an older one. I remember seeing this collection out, but I've never had this one. And this is whipped vanilla and frosted snowflakes. I hope this one is really good. Ooh, yeah, this one's good. This is like kind of like a true gourmand vanilla. Yeah, this one is yummy. Okay, another one baby girl is not gonna get. All right, you guys, so that is it. That is all of the fragrances. Overall, I think this is a nice collection. I think if you are going to be giving this, it has a nice variety of different scents. Now, are these like all my favorites and ones that I absolutely love? No, but I already knew that going into it, that there were some I already had and some that I wasn't really interested in, that I knew baby girl was probably going to get anyway. For the price that I paid, it was a really nice set. Each one of these all retail under like $4 or $5 if you did the math, if you got it on sale. Now, I would not recommend to get this full price at all. I personally don't think it's worth it at $100. Like, that's a lot of money for a bunch of minis. Absolutely not. Do not pay full price for it, but in it that way, as well as, you know, waiting for it to go on sale, because it will go on sale. Who knows, maybe it'll be more on sale for Black Friday, I don't know. But at the price that I seen it at, I wasn't sure if it was gonna sell out or not, so I went ahead and got it. So yeah, guys, that is it. That was my little video. I'm curious, have any of you guys purchased this kit, or are you going to purchase this kit, or is it like, girl, no, absolutely not, we don't need that? So are any of these your favorite scents? Do you own any of these and you really enjoy them? If I had to tell you some of my favorites, I love the Vanilla Swirl. The Tropic Vanilla is nice. And then a couple of the ones that I already have, like the Gumdrop to Beat, the Warm Vanilla, you know, so it's not a bad set. It's just everything is not going to be for everyone. So yeah, that is it, you guys. That is everything. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in another video. Bye.